Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I need your help. I really need your help. This has been a problem for me for several months, and I don't know of a good solution, and I'm hoping that you will provide me some input. And what it is, as I mentioned in my previous couple of shows, I have an Amazon store that I get a commission on from things you buy through my store, and I get a commission from YouTube for allowing them to put ads in my shows. And I use that money and commissions to buy things to review. And then what I used to do up until about 3 or 4 months ago is I would give away those products that I didn't feel that I would get any more questions on. So I didn't need them anymore. And then someone told me that, hey, YouTube has changed their rules about giveaways and you could lose your channel. And so I watched some videos on that subject on YouTube, and sure enough, if you don't follow their strict rules about giveaways, they could take your channel away permanently and you're banned from YouTube. So about 2 or 3 months ago, I just stopped doing giveaways. Didn't want to risk that. But then I was stuck with this dilemma that I had these products that I wanted to give back to my subscribers and viewers because they were purchased with monies from them indirectly. So I'm trying to figure out a way of doing that outside of YouTube so that I don't violate any YouTube giveaways. And I've been looking at a couple of alternatives. Number one is eBay. I could put these items on eBay, put buy now at 50 to 60% discount from the new price, because all these are almost brand new. I've maybe got 10 hours use out of them. So they're all like brand new. But then I started looking at videos about selling on eBay now. I used to sell on eBay, 15 years ago. Onesie-twosie items. And there's a lot of problems, not a lot, but there's a number of problems on eBay with scammers. Both scammers from the standpoint of people selling things that they don't really have and you don't get it, and from people purchasing things from you and like taking parts off of them. Now, I had that happen to me one time, only once, many years ago when I sold on eBay. I sold a radio, a pretty expensive radio, and the gentleman got it, and he said, it doesn't work right. Well, I knew it worked perfect. I was only selling it because it was surplus to my needs. And he wanted a refund. Well, I told him I sold this working and with no return capabilities. I didn't want it back. Well, I got in a email war with him, and it just was nasty. So at that time I said, okay, I was only doing this for fun, forget it. So I'm not inclined to go back to eBay. Another alternative is to sell on Amazon as a used product on Amazon. It appears you can do that pretty easily. And there again, I'm selling it, and I feel a little guilty about selling stuff, but I'm trying to figure out how to give back to my users and subscribers that have supported me. Craigslist is another idea, but that's only local. Well, it could be. It doesn't have to be local, but that's another alternative. So I'm looking for suggestions of how I could get these devices back to my subscribers and users. I don't know of any way of doing a giveaway outside of YouTube. In other words, when I did giveaways recently, I kind of kept it low key so that I didn't get into trouble on YouTube. And now they're apparently really policing this, so I don't want to risk it anymore. So if you have any ideas, you can send me an email to TRRS73@gmail.com. I'm open to anything. I don't know what to do. I've got these radios and gadgets sitting here. I want to get rid of them. I've tried to give away some of them locally, but that's very few, and I have hundreds of items. So, get any ideas? Let me know. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.